Connect water outlet A3 to the pump and place diverter valve. Assemble the fountain hose. Connecting spray head. PVC tubing connect to water outlet A1. PVC tubing connect to diverter valve. Remove the plug. Adjust the water flow rate. Connect the spray nozzle and PVC tubing simultaneously. Adjust the angle of solar panel. Connect pump with solar panel.